Rohit Sharma retires from Test cricket. Yes, these were the speculations around the skipper having endured a rough patch in the Test and failed to make a significant impact in the 5-match Border Gavaskar series in Australia. India lost the Border Gavaskar trophy for the first time since 2014-15 season and failed to qualify for the World Test Championship final for the first time in the tournament's history. Rohit Sharma missed the first test due to the birth of his second child, and in the following 3 tests in Adelaide, in Brisbane and in Melbourne, he managed the scores of 3, 6, 10, 3 and 9, eventually opting out of the Sydney test, handing over the captaincy to Jasprit Bumrah. Now, the poor stretch of the run form from the two stalwarts that was expected, whether be it Rohit Sharma or Virat Kohli, that did spark a lot of discussions on their future in Test cricket and whether the selectors would at all consider them when the fresh World Test Championship cycle begins in June. Now, the pressing question on the minds of the Indian fans is whether we have witnessed the end of Rohit and Virat in the longest format of the game. Star India spinner R. Ashwin already, however, did set the precedent by surprising everyone with his sudden announcement of retirement from international cricket midway through the series. Now, Team India head coach Gautam Gambhir did not comment on the future of senior cricketers like Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli, but said the duo still have the passion and hunger. Rohit Sharma's future in the Test side has been a subject of debate, where he ended the 2024-25 Test season with 164 runs in 8 tests and an average of 10.93 runs per innings. Now, a lot has been spoken about the Indian dressing room, its environment as well, and the chatters that intensified after Rohit Sharma decided to sit out in the Sydney Test. Now, despite not featuring in the playing 11 in Sydney, Rohit Sharma insisted that his decision to miss the final test was taken based on the form and it was not a retirement call. He is confident that things can change and those with a mic, pen or laptop cannot decide when we should retire. That is what he's giving the reassurance कि मैं कहीं नहीं जा रहा, इधर ही हूँ. So meanwhile, Jasprit Bumrah, the fresh back injury, however, has certainly increased uncertainty over his availability for India's assignment in the immediate to near future. And Bumrah, who grabbed 32 wickets in 5 tests, a tremendous feat for a fast bowler in a test series, and he won, whereas wickets tally is the joint highest for an Indian fast bowler in a test series and the highest for any India bowler in any series that are away. Now we talk about as far as the Border Gavaskar series loss, where after a decade, India are out of the World Test Championship of 2023-25 final race. Their next test assignment is in England, where they will play a 5-match series. Rohit Sharma's record in England, where the 37-year-old has played 7 tests and scored 524 runs at an average of 40.30, including 1 century and 2 50s. Now, while the 5-test series in England is more than 5 months away, Rohit Sharma's next major assignment is the ICC Champions Trophy 2025. Before that, he will face the English Quicks in the 3 ODI series at home starting 6th of February. Now it remains to be seen whether Kohli and Rohit will follow the template set by Ashwin or will they be able to revive their careers and enjoy a second win. The team, seemingly going through a difficult phase, will now have to do a lot of introspection after returning home.